So what's going on, everyone? It's going to be a quick video today for the stock HIMS and HERS. You guys can tell that this market has been relentless into not letting price go down. I mean, we did this price prediction right here in HIMS on the 3rd of June, and I've been checking out the market. I'm noticing, like, man, these buyers here into the market in HIMS, they're the ones who's been relentless in not letting this market go down, because we were anticipating that the market in HIMS was emphatically weak off of this particular daily price bar when you combine it with the volume. And the reaction, you guys can tell that HIMS has been trending higher. So apparently this market is definitely aiming for higher levels. So rather than me continue to expect this market to be weak, we need to cut this prediction and look for the market to go up. So welcome everyone to the channel. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Make sure you guys tap that bell notification as well, because I don't want you all to miss on the content that we produce here on this platform. So now, first thing we're going to do is get rid of this prediction. So if we were to get off the market now, we're down like 17%, and we can tell that we are now encroaching upon this sell pocket, meaning, hey, price could go down now. So we may be jumping on this ship a little bit too late for HIMS, considering the last reaction that we saw when price and HIMS was trading in that pocket. We saw an immense amount of volume and a very wide spread bar for HIMS, right? So apparently we need to expect that, yes, is there potential for price to go down in HIMS? The answer is yes, because we've seen historically what happened when price hit that particular market at that price. Now let's look at the market though for HIMS on the monthly chart first. Here it is on the 5 weeks. So this is the last week before this 5-weekly price bar prints. Currently, it doesn't look weak. Here it is on the 3. This is the printed 3-weekly price bar, and still looks pretty bullish there. Okay. The weakness, the selling that occurred on the prior 3 weeks did not impact the buying. 2 weeks, same thing here. These two weekly price bars, we're supposed to see the market in HIMS go lower. But apparently, the buyers had different motives. They're aiming for higher levels. So we may ultimately see this market in HIMS top out at all-time highs, or even this next sell pocket from like $70 all the way up there to 74. Weekly chart looks great for the buyers. We haven't seen this market break, even though we've seen weakness, even though we've seen selling. This market hasn't broke. That's huge. Same thing on the 5. We're not seeing any of the follow through. The sellers capitalizing off of the selling that they did. They didn't capitalize off of it. So yeah, momentum definitely is in favor of the buyers right now. 4, 3. Hopefully this can give you a better picture of what I'm talking about. It's just, you want to see certain things happening to the market once these bars print. And once this bar was printed, you need to say, okay, cool, I know what the market is leaning towards, and it's leaning towards going down. Basically, look at the volume that was produced. But then you say, wait, hold up. The market went up on this 3-day bar. Then you say again, wait, hold up. The market is still going higher and higher and higher. So all of this selling that occurred in HIMS on this 3-day bar, the overall market bought it. That's the only thing that can alleviate a reaction of price not going lower, is because somebody had to buy that. And those people who bought are definitely more motivated than the sellers who are trying to sell their positions. Take a look at this on the 2. Here is HIMS on the daily. So like, this is going to be a quick video. We're going to look for HIMS to go higher. We're going to place this stop loss down here past where these buyers were. So like, if the market does come back down, we definitely expect these buyers who propped up the market here that they'll do it again. If they don't, then we know that this potential monumental movement to the upside in HIMS is probably over. Okay, so let's target this area here. $70.26, 9.29% there. They're going to try to target like 73.40. That's 14.15% there. Zooming out, we don't have anywhere else outside of this stock making all-time highs. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.